Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a winter snowflake sign. So I had this board just lying around, so I'm going to use that. I got these snowflakes at Walmart for $1. They come in each of a pack of 2, so I got 2 packs. Some of the brown wax, some ribbon from Walmart in silver, some white paint, some greenery, and then 3 styrofoam glitter balls from Hobby Lobby. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the brown wax and darken up the stain that was on the sign previously and make it nice and dark. Then I'm going to take some white paint and I'm going to splatter it all over the sign to make it look like snow. So I just took a hard bristled brush and dipped it into white paint and then just kind of slid my finger across the brush and let it drop all over the sign. It kind of gives the illusion of snow. Next, I'm going to take my snowflakes and I'm going to space them evenly apart, more towards the bottom of the sign. I'm going to leave some space at the top of the sign, and then I'm just going to hot glue my snowflakes on. And I'm going to do this with 3 of them. And once I have my snowflakes attached, I'm going to take some of that ribbon and I'm just going to wrap it around the top of the sign. And then I'm going to hot glue it in place on the back. Now that it's glued in place, I'm going to flip my sign back over and I'm going to start hot gluing my greenery onto the top of the ribbon. And I just picked out some greenery that I had on hand. I didn't use a lot of it. You can use whatever greenery you have. I picked more of white colors with like the snow attached to it to kind of match with the snowflake theme. And then once I had my greenery on, I took the 3 styrofoam snowballs, I guess is what they are, and I hot glued 3 of them right to the center of the greenery. Once I have those hot glued into place, this sign is all done. And I think this just turned out so super cute and can be left out all winter long. Of course, you can make it your own and do as you wish with it, but I think this just turned out amazing. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to spread the chaos.